welcome back to NG Styles Kitchen. So today I'm gonna make a quick and short video showing you how I make ginger and garlic paste. So here I have my garlics, about a pound of garlic, and here I have some ginger roots. As you can see, I already peel the skin off, wash them and dice them finely, ready for blending, as you can see. So here are my ginger roots. So it's about 1 pound of ginger roots and 1 pound of garlic cloves. Okay, so just half and half, call it 50-50. Just get them, peel the skin off like I do, wash it properly. For the ginger roots, if they are big, like I'm using the bigger ones, wash them and dice them finely to help your blender blend them properly. And the next ingredient I'm going to be adding is some lemon juice. So here is my juice, already juiced it out. Some lemon juice. I'm using about maybe like 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. That will serve as preservative to this garlic and ginger paste. Okay, you can add more ingredients to your paste. Sometimes I add some turmeric to it if you want, but I'm not adding turmeric to this one. I add this to my tea. It helps, as you know, ginger and garlic, I call them antibiotic. Yeah. So I add it to tea, like if I'm having cold or cough or flu, all those kind of symptoms. Just make your flu tea or your cold tea, then take a teaspoon of the garlic and ginger paste and put it in your tea, mix it together and take it. It helps a lot to heal you from cough, catarrh, cold, or all those kind of sickness. And even it's very good for stomach also, especially if you want to detox. It's a good thing, a good ingredient to add to your detox tea also. So let's get blending. It's cold here, so I hope you can see the way I'm breathing. It's cold out here. So here is my blender. So in my blender, I'm gonna go ahead and add the garlic clove goes in first, then followed by the ginger roots, the diced ginger roots. Then followed by the lemon juice. I'm gonna go ahead, cover it and give it a quick blend. So I'm gonna blend this on a high, turn it on, then choose the So after blending, you got your ginger and garlic paste. It's gonna look like this. Do you see? So blend it finely and smoothly. We're gonna have this. I'm gonna go ahead now and package it in the container. So I'm recycling this container. This is where I'm gonna put it. So let me concentrate so I can package it. I'll be back to show you guys. So guys, here is it. You can see after packaging. So this container is about 2 pounds container, that is 32 ounce. That's what the net weight is. So I got 2 pounds of garlic paste here, and I still have a little left in the blender. So that is it. Very simple and easy to make. So this is how I make my garlic and ginger paste. Okay, just 3 recipes. You got it. So I'm going to cover it and place it in my refrigerator, and we use it a lot. This won't even last. I use it to cook, and we use it to drink our tea. Like I told you, when I make my tea, I put some in it, stir it and drink. It's very, very good, and it protects you from all kinds of viruses. So if you want to boost your immune system, take this, mix it with your tea, drink it, and keep yourself and your family healthy all the time. It's a must keep for every home. So that is it for the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye bye.